Sleep deprivation causes major incidences. In the United States, estimated 100,000 auto crashes and also accidents and incidents at the workplace because of lack of sleeps. Even in Malaysia, there are reported 9 out of 10 Malaysians have some levels of insomnia, having problems to fall and stay asleep. The worst part of that is that sleeps play a critical role in learning and thinking. Lack of sleep impairs your attention, concentration, alertness, and also thinking skills. Basically means that lack of sleep makes you dumb. Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Muhammad Ifat bin Shamsuddin, and inshallah today I will be introducing to my final year project Better Dreamer, improving sleep using Internet of Things IoT devices through Brain-Computer Interface BCI under the supervision of Assistant Professor Dr. Hamira Sakti bin Yaakob. So what is this project is all about? As mentioned before, sleep deprivation is a problem that is occurring worldwide and affecting people all ages. The main problem is that people are not taking initiative to prevent from this happening, and with that, these are causing major problems in their life. It's going to affect their daily work life and also could affect their health, major health problem even, for example like heart attack. Since some of the people might don't know how to fix this problem, and some of them might be too busy even to think on to solve on this problem, that's why this project is created to propose an idea as solution to help people to fall asleep or relax better. With Better Dreamer, we are creating an environment that will help the user to relax and fall asleep better. With all of the IoT devices surrounding, it will control the variable around the environment that we're going to induce, that going to help and provide the relaxation to the user and make them fall asleep better. With the integration of the BCI, we are able to automate and provide the data to the system that's going to be controlling all of the IoT devices surrounding, which is focusing on our main idea, which is providing the ease for the user to just relax and fall asleep. With them just using the brain-computer interface devices, all of those are going to control all of the variables surrounding the user, and those variables we're going to adjust themselves as it is an IoT devices communicating around each other. One will create an environment that will help the user to relax and fall asleep better. So how does it works? We are going to be manipulating one of the many variables that we have in our environment, which is noise or sound. The user are going to wear a device that will be collecting their brainwave data or electroencephalogram EEG, and those data is going to be fed into the computer, and this is our data acquisition processes. And in the computer, the data are going to be processed, and then we're going to define whether the user are able to falling asleep or not. Basically means are they stressed or are they feeling relaxed. If it seems that they are having stress, feeling a bit stressed and hard for them to relax and fall asleep, the system will going to be playing a music that going to help them fall asleep and get relaxed. The third main component that is present in our system is the Google Nest Mini. This Google Nest Mini is going to act as an IoT devices that are going to be existing in our ecosystem. So basically what the users can do, they can use the Google commands that we have in our phone right now with the Google Nest Mini. The user can set their alarms or maybe putting a reminder or anything that is possible to the Google Nest. And the Google Nest Mini will also communicate with the computer to save the data, and those two are going to be integrated together. The system are going to be built mainly based on Python language, but we're going to look into the future whether we need any type of other languages in our framework as well. To make sure we deliver our project in time, we are applying the Agile Software Development Lifecycle SDLC to make sure that we are keeping track for our project. We have done 3 phases of the Agile development, which is the first one, planning. We have find out the problem that we are trying to solve, and also we have found the solution that could help to solve the problem. And second, we have done the analysis. We have reviewed literatures and studies that have been done before that could be related with our project. The third one, design. We already shown the system overview and also the flowchart, so we know the flows of our projects later. And now currently we are on the fourth phase, which is the implementation phase. Currently we are making the back-end software of this whole project. We are making sure that the integration between the BCI and the IoT devices are working well and able to communicate within each other. After we finish with that, we are going to proceed with the testing phase, where we're going to have testers that are going to test our project, and those feedbacks are going to be evaluated and going to be used to maintain and keep on upgrading and fix any bugs that could be existent in our project until we reach a satisfaction. And so far for our project, we already managed to acquire the EEG data from the user's brain, and then from there those data are being fed into the computer and analyzed, and we are able to come out with the two main components that we look at, which is the stress value and also the relax value. And so far this is the pre-processed data, but we are looking forward to make it much more accurate and deeper, so we're going to be playing with the raw EEG data in the future as well. Apart from that, we also managed to use those data to be able to play music that are going to help the users to relax and fall asleep. Thus, the next part of our project is we are going to insert our IoT devices, and we're going to make a full integration of the whole system that consisting of the computer, the IoT device, and the BCI devices. And just from this, the accomplishment of this project is proving the concept of having an environment that is full of IoT devices, and all of them are just being controlled by the BCI device that the user use, so that we are actually able to create an environment that can help the user relax and fall asleep with ease without doing anything. They just need to wear the components or the device, and then the environment will adjust themselves until the user are managed to fall asleep. And that's all from me. I hope all of you are able to get input from this project, and I hope that all of you are anticipated for this project in the near future. Assalamualaikum. Thank you very much.